Welcome. If you want to learn how to add a story to your Instagram highlights from your archive, you're in the right place. Whether you missed adding a story to your highlights when it was live, or you simply want to update your highlights with something from your past stories, this quick guide will walk you through each step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your Instagram profile page, where you can see all your posts, reels, and of course, your highlights. Next, look for the highlight where you want to add your archived story. Tap on that highlight to open it. At the bottom right of the screen, you'll see 3 small dots. Tap on those dots to open the Options menu. From the menu that pops up, select Edit Highlight. This will bring up a new screen where you can manage the stories in that highlight. At the top, you'll see 2 tabs, Selected and Stories. Tap on Stories to access your archived stories. Now, scroll through your archive and find the story you want to add. When you find it, simply tap on it to select it. You can choose one or several stories at once if you want to update your highlight with multiple moments. Once you've selected all the stories you want to add, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. Instagram will update your highlight with the new stories from your archive, and they'll now be visible to anyone who views your profile. That's all there is to it. Adding stories from your archive to your Instagram highlights is a great way to keep your favorite moments front and center, even after they've disappeared from your story feed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.